Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you a different kind of skill toy trick. It is with a flip fins. It's kind of like a ballet song or a butterfly knife. It's basically the same concept, and it's pretty fun to learn, so it's probably one of the easier skill toys. I'm going to start out with a pretty basic trick. It's called double rollover, and when I get better I'll teach you more advanced tricks. And now for the tutorial, what it looks like. Okay, so if you don't know what a ballet song or butterfly knife is, it's basically just like a knife that can flip out. Like, this is some tricks you can do with it. You can use an actual butterfly knife, but that is a little bit more dangerous, and I don't want to cut myself learning it right away. So I'm going to start out with it's flip fins. They only sell them at Walmart. I'm not sponsored. And they sell them at Walmart. That's the only place you can get them. I think you can get them online as well, but anyways, the double rollover, this is what it looks like. That's double rollover. And you can also reverse it to get it back into the regular mount. So it's a pretty basic trick. All you need to do is hold it in a basic grip like this with your forefingers gripping one of the sides, and then you flip it down. So then the blade is sticking out and one of the sides is sticking, or just like letting loose, going down. So then what you do from here is you want to flip this fin over. You flip it so then these two can fall. And then what you do from there is you can either, when you go over, you can hit it against your hand so it makes a clicking sound, and then bring it back up to your hand.
Okay.
And it'll look like that. So, and there you go. That's what it looks like in fast motion. You can also do it on a horizontal plane like this. I like doing it like that. It just makes it look a little bit fancier. I don't know. I like it. But this is the basic double rollover, and that is the trick. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.